KPM. Didik TV KPM.
Ooh, we're going to do a science experiment today. What do we have? Salt solution of concentration 3%. Ooh. And next we have distilled water. Ooh, I think I want to mix them together. Okay, let's try and mix.
Oh, Anif, stop doing that.
Oh, hi, Professor.
Please don't make the lab to explode, Anif.
Oh, okay. We don't want that to happen.
Yeah.
No.
I saw you're trying to mix it right. Actually, we
Yes.
have with the right amount, then only we can mix it. Okay. So can you tell me the measurement of the salt solution?
Salt solution, it is 180.7.
Okay. How about that distilled water?
Distilled water, it is at 215.8.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you know the right amount to mix it, or how to make it equal?
I'm just gonna try and mix it. I don't know. But then again, how do I make it equal? Hello everyone. How are y'all doing at home? You are now watching Didik TV KPM, and today we are in the level 2 slot, and together, of course, we are learning our favorite subject, which is Mathematics Dual Language Program DLP, and my name is Hanif Sean. I hope you are as excited as I am, and of course, you have just seen our teacher's profile, which is Teacher Kalai. And how are you, Teacher Kalai?
I'm very good today. How about you?
I'm doing well as well. And Teacher Kalai, it's not just us today with us. We also have our sign language interpreter, which is Teacher Fatih. How are you, Teacher Fatih? Oh, she's doing good and excited there as well. And I hope our friends at home, you are also so excited, all energetic, because there's so much that we're going to learn today. And
Yes,
Teacher Kalai, we do have 4 other pupils joining us online.
Yes.
Aren't they?
Yes.
Can you wave at us here? Oh yes, they are. Can I get your help, Teacher Kalai, to introduce our 4 pupils online?
Okay, before that, good day all viewers at home. Hope everyone is in pink of health. Okay, I'm very glad to meet you all again. Okay, for today's lesson, we have 3 beautiful rose bars and 1 hero out there. Okay, let them shine today, Anif. Okay, so
yes.
first we have Jayashira. Hi, Jayashira.
Can you wave
Hi,
at us,
teacher.
Jashira?
Okay, and second we have Desiga. Hi, Desiga.
Hi, teacher.
And we have another beautiful rosebud, Sri Kishantini.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, and lastly, 1 hero, Kadem Kumar. Hi.
Oh,
Okay,
He didn't
and
just
for your
wave.
knowledge,
he didn't just wave,
Just
he
wave.
also gave us a high five to the camera.
okay, so they are all from SJKT Taman Melawati.
All right, that's wonderful. And Teacher Kalai, in mathematics DLP today, what are we going to learn? What is the topic that we're going to cover?
Are you eager to know?
Yes, I'm super excited.
Okay, let's explore. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so learning standard today is 2.21. Multiply decimal with decimal, the product up to 3 decimal places. Okay, and we have 2.2.2. Divide decimal by decimal, and same the quotient up to 3 decimal places. And do you aware what is product and quotient?
Oh, I need to recall that again, but I think I'm quite sure we're going to be covering that
kids
later.
out there, product when we multiply 2 numbers or more than that. Okay, the answer we call as product. Okay, how about quotient? Quotient when we divide numbers, the answer is quotient.
Right.
So nowadays the questions they will just state there, find the quotient. So kids must know what they must do, what operation they must use. Okay, find the product of these 3 numbers. So you must know how to find the product. Okay? Okay.
Okay,
And then?
that's very important.
Okay. So, what is decimal, Hanif? For your knowledge, for your understanding, what is decimal?
As I
You
recall,
can help the kids out there.
yeah, as I recall, decimals would be there's a point in the
Yes,
number.
we have decimal point.
Perhaps
Okay.
the number of figures
Okay.
that we have after the point, if that is
Yes.
right.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Structurally, it is correct. Okay. So define what is decimal. Okay. Before that, I would like to say the objective of today's lesson. Okay. First, kids will enumerate the steps for multiplication and division of decimal numbers. Second one, of course, they are going to multiply and divide decimal numbers up to 3 decimal places and solve real life problems involving multiplication and division of decimal numbers. As we know, mathematics is related to our daily life, right? Okay. So that's the objective. Okay.
Right.
Next. Okay, before we go further in, so let's have fun. Kids are
Okay.
going to answer online questions. Okay.
Oh.
Are you ready, kids out there? Okay, I hope they are ready.
I
Okay.
think they
And
are.
also you, Anif. Okay.
So what do we have in the word wall?
Okay, let me see. I want kids there to answer. Give me the answer. Okay. Kids out there?
So we have the first question.
Yes. 15.3 times 4.9. Just raise your hand or just tell the answer fastly.
Anyone wants to try first?
74.97.
74.97. Shall we try, Anif?
Wow.
Okay, that's
Oh,
the correct.
yes.
Okay, second one. 27.3 times by 5. I want a quick answer.
Yes. This is our last question.
136.5.
Sorry, could you repeat your answer?
Okay,
Oh, there
the
you go.
third one.
Well done. Okay, last question.
0.645 divide by 4.3. Quick one, quick one.
0.15.
0.15. Wow, they are super duper.
Wonderful.
Okay, so this is the last one.
Okay.
Okay, 84.93 divided by unknown, and the answer is equals to 121.3. Quick one, quick one. It becomes a hard question.
What is your answer? What is y?
Okay, 0.7. Okay.
Well done.
Next.
Well
okay.
done. So now we are wondering, what are decimals?
Okay, what are decimals, as you said just now? Okay, so we can define that in algebra, a decimal number can be defined as a number where the whole number part and the fractional part is separated by a decimal point. As you said, Anif, it is right. Okay, can you say the numbers there?
Yes. They all have a decimal.
Yes,
number
just say
after.
the numbers. Say out the numbers.
So that's 16.5, 145.07, 2.9, 0.078, 964.248, 15.08, and 0.065.
And I noticed one thing. You did a good job. Okay, 964.248. Instead of telling 248, we have to tell it one by one. And you
by
did a
one.
good job.
Oh,
Okay,
yes. Thank
grand
you.
of applause for you. Okay, so after the decimal kids, we have to say the number one by one. Okay, what our Abang Anif said just now, 0.0651 or 0.0651. Okay, okay. So these are we call it as one decimal place numbers. Okay, after the decimal we have one number only. Second thing, two decimal places. After the decimal we have two numbers, and lastly we have three decimal places whereby you can see three numbers, 3 digits after the decimal.
All right.
Okay.
So we have known what are decimals now, but we're going to take just a short break. Make sure you stay tuned with us on Didik TV KPM.
Didik TV KPM.
And you're back with us on Didik TV KPM on level 2 slot. Together we are learning mathematics DLP, and of course the topic for today is decimal numbers. Very interesting. With me is teacher Kalai. Teacher Kalai, What else are we going to cover right now?
Okay. Before that, I would like to say that today's lesson is going to be contextual. Okay.
Oh, that's
So
perfect.
students out there, you have to be more concentrate. Okay, focus. Okay. Okay. As what I say, today's objective is multiplying and division. Okay, we divide the decimal numbers. Okay. So let's see. The multiplication and division are the process involving decimals are the same as the multiplication and division involving a whole number. So that means, kids, you do multiply and also divide using whole numbers, right? So the same method, the same concept we are going to do here. Okay, only we have the decimal points. Okay, and then we focus on multiplication. For multiplication process involving two decimal numbers, the decimal point for the product is the total number of decimal places in the two numbers involved in multiplication. Do you understand this? Okay, I emphasize again. Okay, you know already what is product. Okay, after you multiply two decimal numbers, where you have to put the decimal at the product. So that's why you have to count the decimal places in the two numbers that you are multiply. Okay, we look at the examples for more understanding. Okay, so can you read the mathematics sentence there, Hanif?
Okay, it says there 2.53 multiplied by 4.
Okay, this is whole number. Okay, we try with whole number first. Okay, 2.53. First thing you have to stack down, right, kids? Okay, stack down as usual, times by 4. Okay, so you times as what you do as usual for multiplication. So you'll get 10 decimal 12 or 10.12. Okay, well, okay, in this case we count the decimal places. Okay, that is 2 decimal places, right? So in the answer also you move 2 places. Okay, so you'll get 10.12. Okay, second one, we multiply decimal number with decimal number. Can you read the mathematics sentence?
Right, the next one is 3.25 multiplied by 1.5.
Okay, let's look at this. Okay, 3.25, it is how many decimal places?
2 places.
2 places, yeah, you are right. Okay, and then we times by 1.5. It is 1 decimal place. Okay, as what I introduced earlier, you must know 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, and also 3 decimal place, and so on. Okay, this is the first line that we times by 5 as usual. Second one, you times by 1 as usual. Teacher put 0 there. Okay, and then we add together, and then lastly, how many decimal places are there? 2 plus 1?
2 plus 1 equals to 3
3.
decimal
So
places.
you move the decimal after the 3 numbers, and then you get the answer 4.875. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, before we go to the practice, okay, I would like to explain more on this. Okay, first thing, we look at the first question. Okay, Hanif?
Yeah, it says there 3.52 multiplied by 4.
Okay, 3.52 multiplied by 4. As what I explained just now. Okay, we stack down the number. Okay, we times by 4. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. This one is 20. Okay, this one is 12 and 14. Okay, this one is 2 decimal places, right? Here is no, because this is a whole number. So, we move after 2 numbers, okay, after 2 places, we put the decimal here. So, the answer is
14.08.
14.08.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, second one.
So the next question is
Okay, can you read it?
8.43 times 5.1.
Okay, 8.43. Now, kids, we are times decimal
5.1.
number with decimal number. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, for this, you just omit the decimal. Okay, you just ignore the decimal. Okay, so we times as usual. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3, 4, 8. Can you help me, Anif, here?
5 times 3 is 15.
Here, for the safe, we put 0. Okay?
Yeah. That is 15, carry 1. 5 times 4, 20. Plus 1, 21. 2, 8 times 4, 40. Plus 2, 42.
Okay, nicely we write, and then we just add on these 2 lines. Okay, 3,
9
9,
and 9.
9.
2 and 4.
Okay, where I should put the decimal, Anif?
Because we started with, excuse me, 2 decimal places and 1 decimal place.
Year
So I
2,
think
year 1.
you
So
put
you
it
just
together.
add
3 decimal places.
3. So after the 3 places here, we place the decimal.
All right.
Okay, so the answer will be 42 decimal or 42.993. You want to try the third one, Anif?
Oh, okay. It's getting more and more challenging here. So, third question is 18.2 multiplied by 6.4. 18.2 multiplied by 6.4. I see 1 decimal place for each number. I have a feeling the final answer, the product, should have 2 decimal places.
Yes, you're
Yeah?
right. Can you
Okay.
perform here?
So let me try and do that. Thank you. 18, whoopsie, point 2, and then we have 6.4. And we times here.
We ignore the decimal, kids.
So this is 8, 4 times 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We put a 0
For your safe side.
6 times 2, 12, 1, 6 times 8, 48, 49, 4, 1 times 6, 6, plus 4, 10.
10, yeah.
Let's put it
Okay,
all
just
together.
add on.
8, 4, 6, 1, 1, 1.
So where we must put the decimal now at the product.
So you have 1
1 decimal place
Yeah,
and also 1
1
decimal
DP.
place.
So there'll
So
be
become 2
2.
places.
So it's here. Whoops, there's a huge decimal point there.
Okay.
Okay, is that the right answer?
Yes, you deserve for a grand of applause.
Yes.
Okay. So kids, okay. How about kids out there? And 4 heroes, 4 students there. Okay, now times to test your knowledge. Okay, shall we? Shall we, Anif?
Shall we have
Okay.
a bit of practice?
Yes.
Okay, quick one.
We challenge them now.
Yes.
Okay, let's practice, kids. I want you to give me the right answer. Okay, first one, 0.9 times 2.5. Who can tell me the correct answer?
5, 4, 3,
And Anif, please
2,
check the answer.
1. Who's going to give us the answer? Yes, Sri. Are you giving us the answer, Sri? Can you
Okay,
speak
just give me
louder?
the answer, correct answer.
Sorry, who is giving
Who
us the
can
answer?
perform fastly?
Yeah.
Rapid one, give me the rapid answer. And the correct answer, of course.
2.25 is the answer.
2.25. Okay. Next one. 1.45 times by 9.3. Okay. Calculate. And give me the answer.
Okay, who's answering? Can you raise your hand when you want to answer so we'll see you better? Okay, are you answering again, Sri? I could see your mouth talking. Oh, who's trying to answer? Anyone can raise your hand if you want to answer?
Can I answer?
Yes, please, Jay. Go ahead.
13.195.
13.195. Okay. Try the third one. 5.08 times by 6.5.
Okay. Anyone wants to try? When you're ready, you raise your hand right away. We do it very quickly.
Can I try?
Yes, please, Sri.
47.879.
47.879. Yeah?
Okay, who's that?
That was 3.
Okay. So, number 4, 11.2 times by 3.6.
Yes. Who's the fastest here? Who is the fastest? Raise your hand or just shout out the answer right away. Is it you,
Can I
Jessica?
answer?
Oh, okay. Jay, go ahead, Jay.
40.32.
40.32. Okay, the last one. And Anif, you can give rewards for the kids.
Okay.
Just give the star for them.
All
Just
right.
now, Jeshira, she answered, and then Sri Kishantini was the first one answered.
Yes. So all of you, you get big hearts here. Big hearts for all your excellent answers. Jeshira. Okay.
How about Desiga and Kadim?
Yes.
Are you trying out there?
We got special hearts for you when you answer.
Okay,
Okay.
kids, just do the multiplication as usual and then put the decimal at the right place at the product. Okay,
Yes.
you count the places here, decimal places, 2, 1, and then you move the decimal place. Okay, you move the decimal point. Okay, the last
Okay.
one.
Last question, 20.8 times 4.2. Who would like to try? I'm going to give you a big heart.
Can I answer?
Yes, please, Jay.
87.36.
87.36. Okay.
Yes, year 1, so 87.36.
Wonderful,
okay.
wonderful.
So, we'll answer Jeshira, she deserves for another star.
And Jeshira, you're going to get another heart here. And wow, all of you count your hearts. There's no decimal places at the hearts here, okay? We're going to take a short break. After the break, of course, we have more hearts to share with you. Please stay tuned with us on DDate TV KPM.
DDate TV KPM.
And we're counting decimal places here. It's about decimal numbers today on Mathematics DLP Level 2 slot on DDate TV KPM. Welcome back. And of course, with me is Teacher Kalai. Teacher Kalai, are we going to learn about division now?
Yeah, next is division, of course. How about multiplication?
Multiplication, I think we're
able
quite...
to multiply the decimal numbers with decimal number?
Yes, that is
Okay.
right. I think we're quite excellent. Even our pupils online have done excellent in multiplying numbers, decimal numbers.
Yes, decimal numbers. Okay, the only thing is where to put the decimal at the product. Okay?
Right.
Okay. Next, we move on to the division of decimal numbers. Okay. In division of decimals, process involving two decimal numbers, the divisor needs to be changed from a decimal number to a whole number. Okay, I highlight again. In division, we have divisor and dividend. Okay, kids, you are aware about that. The number we divide is dividend. The number that going to divide is the divisor. Okay, so we have to change the divisor to a whole number before you proceed the division. Okay. So we have two methods here. Method 1, multiply by 10, hundreds and thousand, multiples of 10 based on the question. Okay, and then method 2, move the decimal point. Okay, before this also we move the decimal point and we move on with the examples. Okay. Okay, for decimal, for division.
Are we going to get big numbers here, Teacher Kalai?
No. I give example on whole number first. Okay?
Okay.
So what we are going to divide here? The mathematics sentence.
So that is 1.86 divided by 3.
3 is a whole number, kids. So don't worry first. Okay? So teacher would like to introduce a new method here. We call it as box method. Instead of using the long division. Do you
Right.
know you usually use the long division, right?
I use the long
so
division.
What is the divisor here?
Divisor would be 3.
Yes, you are right. This is the divisor. Okay? And what is the dividend?
Dividend is 1.86.
Yes, 1.86. We place the 1 here. We place the 6
6, and
and
we have
also 8.
Yeah.
And where's the decimal? Decimal is after the 1, right?
Yes,
Okay, I
two
put the
decimal
decimal
places.
here. Okay, this is 2 decimal places number. Okay, now how to divide this one now? Okay, so we start from the first box. Okay, is there 1 in times 3?
I
No,
don't think
so we leave it empty. We put
Right.
it 0. Okay, now we take it as 2. What's the number now? What's the value now?
That's 18.
18. What times 3 is 18?
6 times 3 is 18.
Yes, so we put the 6 below the 8 here. Because why? 18 ends here.
Right.
Okay, here we already 0. Okay, next we have what?
6.
Yes,
6.
so what is the answer for 6?
6 divided by 3 equals to 2.
Divisible by 2. So the answer is?
Um,
0.
0.62.
Yes, 62. So in division, you don't worry about the decimal point. Okay? Next. Okay, next,
next we have
we divide with the decimal numbers with decimal numbers.
Okay, next. Oh, the number is getting bigger. It's becoming more challenging here. So the question is
Okay, I just leave it here, this one.
10.47 divide by 0.3. 10.47 divide by 0.3.
Okay, first I open the box.
Yes.
Okay. 1, 0, decimal, 4, 7.
7.
And then we close the box. Okay. The divisor is
0.3.
0.3. Of course, you can't divide by 0.3. Remember what I told just now? This is the divisor, right? Divisor, we have to change it to whole
Times
number.
10 times 100.
Whole
times-
number. Okay.
Yes.
So, you can times by 10. Okay. You can change it to whole number, that is 3. Okay.
Right.
Or the second method, I say move the decimal. So, how many places you can move here?
I think just
2.
one.
Yes, because why? When you move 1, it become whole number, that is 3. Okay, so we place the 3 here, and then when you move 1 place here, the divisor also you have to move 1 place. So that means where you put the decimal now.
So now I think it's 104.7.
Yes, the decimal should comes here.
Yeah.
Okay, I emphasize again, you change your divisor to whole number. It could be 1 place, it could be 2 places, but you follow here in the dividend also you move the decimal exactly. Okay, so here we move 1 place, so here also we move 1 place. Okay, shall we divide, Hanif?
Sure.
Okay, so as usual,
Okay, 10.
kids out there,
1 is
0.
0.
Okay, now the value is 10.
Right.
What we can put there?
Divide by 3 equals to
Yes, 3.
3
3 times 3 is 9. You
Yeah.
minus 9. 10 minus 9, what is the balance?
equals to 1.
Yes. So the balance, we bring it here. Okay. We bring it to the next box.
So that will be 14.
Become 14. The new value is 14.
14.
Okay. So what we can put here?
14 divided by 3 should be 4. And you have an additional 2.
Because we minus here 12. What is
12.
the balance there?
That will be 2.
2. Okay. You put it
Right.
here 2. Now the new value is 27. So it's end with
This is easy. 27 divided by 3, you get 9.
9. And then kids, okay, you just drop the decimal here. Okay.
Right.
So the answer would be 34.9. Okay. I recall again, in multiplication, you only have to move the decimal at the end of the process. Okay. But in division, you have to move the decimal earlier. Where is it? At the divisor. Okay, you move it earlier at the divisor. Okay, shall we try another one with the box method?
Sure.
Okay, this is the last time, and give the chance for our hero here.
Alright.
Hanif. Okay.
So we have another question here. It's Teacher Kala is challenging me more and more
Yes.
now. It is.
As I said, today the lesson will be more contextual. Okay.
It is, yeah.
And also we learn the new method in division.
That is right. So we have a box method that we're doing now, and the question is 20.86 divide by 0.2. My friends at home, I think you can help me here. Remember what Teacher Kalai said? To move the decimal place. To move the decimal in the divisor. Yes. So from 0.2.
Can you? Yeah.
Okay, let me try this.
Okay, first step, we convert the decimal, we convert the divisor into whole number. So,
Yes.
how many places you should move here?
So I will move 1.
1.
So it
Okay.
becomes 2.
So in the question, suppose the decimal is 20.86. You move first the decimal.
And I will move it here then.
Yes.
So there will be 1 decimal place
yes.
as well.
It become?
So it becomes 208.6.
Okay. The
Divide
divisor
by
is 2. Yes.
Okay, I will remove this a bit first. Okay, friends at home, you gotta help me here. 2 divided by 2, we get 1. This is 0.
0. Of course, you, yes.
2 divided by 8. Oh, this is easy.
8 divided by 2, 4.
8 divided by 2, sorry.
It's okay, it's
Too
okay.
confident. 6 divided by 2, and you get 3.
Okay, where you must place the decimal point now.
Because we started here also with 1 decimal point.
Just drop it.
I will
Okay.
bring it
Place
down.
it alignedly straight. Okay, align it
Yes.
straight. Okay.
So my
So
answer...
as easy as that, right?
Yeah, is this right, Teacher Kalai? The 104.3, that's
Yes,
the answer.
it is right. Yes.
Ah.
Why?
Okay, so I get a heart as well.
Yes. Okay. So again, teacher would like to emphasize here, for multiplication, you just move the decimal at the end of the process. After you multiply, and then you move the decimal, follow the decimal places in the multiplied numbers. Okay. For division, you have to move the decimal point first, and then only you perform the operation. So where is it? You move the decimal point at the divisor to make it a whole number. Okay, clear as that?
Very easy.
Crystal clear?
Yes.
Yes, and I hope this one is easy for you. Okay, kids out there. Okay, now time for
A challenge.
yes,
Quiz.
challenging time
For
now.
all of
Okay,
you.
are you ready? 4 of you ready? Ready?
Oh yes. Give it a
Yes.
thumbs up.
Okay, cheer up. Okay.
Let's look at the questions. But you're going to
Yes.
give very quick answers. Teacher Kala wants very quick answers. What is the first question?
1.485 divided by 0.5. You can use your long division or you can use this box method. Okay, and give me the rapid answer.
Okay, so it's 1.485 divided by 0.5. 0.5.
Can I try?
Yes, please. Go ahead.
2.97.
2.97. Is that
from
correct?
From Sri.
Shri. Okay, Shri reserve for the height as well.
Okay, so Sri, I'm
Number 2,
giving you
79.8 divided by 3.8. Okay, 4 of you.
Sri gets a shining heart there. Next question. Who's going to try?
Calculate fastly. Divide it.
Can I answer?
Yes.
Please.
21.
Is it 21? Okay, what you do first, Jeshira? Can you tell? 79.8 divided by 3.8. Okay. What was your first step, Jeshira?
We have to move the decimal place one step.
Where is it? Where?
3.8.
Yes, the divisor is in decimal number 3.8. So you move it one place, so you get it 38, right? Okay, 38. And then at the same time, 79.8, you move one place also, right? So it becomes 798 divided by 38. What's the answer just now?
21.
Yes. Is that correct, Anif?
I believe so.
Yes,
Well
yes.
done.
Okay, third one. Okay, 20.8 divided by 1.6. Okay,
Who would
4
like
of
to
you.
try?
This time I want from Desiga or Kadim. Okay.
Ah.
So far, Jeshira
Yeah.
and Sri Kishantini is giving the right answer. Okay, let me see our hero or Desiga.
Can I try?
Yes, Kadim. Go ahead.
The answer is 136. 136.
136. Okay, here 1.6. Okay, the divisor, we move one place, it becomes 16, right? Okay, 16 going to divide by, we have 20.8. So we move one place, we have 208. 208 divided by 16. Okay, so fast you get the answer. How about the multiples of 16? Multiples of 16. Anif,
Okay.
do you know how to get the multiples of 16 here?
So
Okay, I would like to introduce a easy technique to find the multiples. Okay, so here 2, 3, we divide the 16 like this. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times of 6. Anif?
so that would be 48.
Okay.
Yes.
So to get the times multiplication of 16, so we just add the numbers here. We just join the numbers here.
Oh, that's
16.
very easy.
Next, 32.
32.
You add these numbers.
and
And
then we
then,
have 48
yes,
and 64.
yes,
So 80.
yes,
And 96. Oh, this is very fast. 112.
yes, yes.
Woo,
So students
128.
can get the multiples of 16. Okay, now we bring it here. Okay, so as usual 0, 20 we take as 1.
That would be 1.
1, okay, 1 minus 16 is, the balance is 4. You bring it to the next box.
Okay.
Do we have 48 here?
Yes, we do at
Yes.
3 there.
So 3. Okay. Since we divide the whole number, so the answer is what, Kadim? Our hero, what you
One.
say just now? 1,
30.
3, 0. No, we don't have 0 here. We only have 208. So the answer is 30.
13.
Okay, all of you agree?
Yes.
13, right? Ah, yes, Sri Kishantini shows thumbs
Okay,
up.
we got 2 more questions and
Yes.
we're going to do it very quickly.
Yes.
Okay, second last question. 25.74
Divide by 1.8.
1.8. Who's going to try? Very quick one. Very quick one.
So as usual, 1.8 You move the decimal, become 18. And then the dividend, 25.74. Here one place, right? So here also we move one place. So become 257 divided by 4. Okay,
Right.
how to get 18? Do you want to try?
And divide by 18. Okay, anyone would like to try here? Does anyone have the answer?
Can I try?
Yes, please, Sri. Go ahead.
23.67 is the answer.
23.67.
Yes.
Oh, 23.67. Okay. So I hope that's the right answer. And we do have one last question, Teacher Kalai.
Yeah.
One
Let
last
them
question,
try. Okay.
Which is 56.808 divided by 2.4. Okay, very quick one. Who's going to answer this question? You have 5, 4, 3, 2,
Can I answer?
Yeah, there you go. Go ahead.
Who's that?
23.67.
Again?
23.67.
Okay. What was the first step, Desiga? When you divide 56.808 by 2.5, what will be the first step, Desiga?
Convert 2.4 to 2.5 to whole numbers.
2.4 to whole number, right? So you just move one place, right? So you get 24. And then what is the second step? When we move one place, decimal point at the divisor, we also move the decimal point at the dividend one place, right?
Yes.
Yes. So what's the answer, Jeshira?
23.67.
Okay. So Jeshira is deserving for another
Yes.
heart here. Okay, already given
Well-
by Abang Hanif. Okay.
Well done to all of you. I've already given your hearts there. We're going to take a short break, and of course, we have more hearts to share with you after this. Stay tuned with us on DLP TV KPM.
DLP TV KPM.
And you're back with us on DLP TV KPM on Level 2 slot. Today we are learning Mathematics Dual Language Program DLP, and of course with me is Teacher Kalai. And get ready, there's a lot more that she's going to test you right now. Are you going to test us, Teacher Kalai?
Yes, of course.
Woo. Okay.
Okay, before that, Hanif, I would like to ask you, throw
Sure.
a question to you. Okay, what's the importance of learning the decimal numbers?
The importance of learning decimal numbers, I would at least know the number of decimal places.
Okay, while you're thinking about it, okay, let's test the understanding of our kids today. Okay, so are you ready, kids at the home? Are you ready?
Yes, there they are. A lot of thumbs up.
Yes. Okay, so the questions comes out. Okay, could you read it out, Hanif?
Okay, so the question is, Sivanis runs 3.5 rounds around TT Wangsir Park every day. The distance for each round of the park is 0.95 kilometers. What is the distance in kilometers that Sivanis runs in a day?
Now the time is yours, kids. Okay.
Okay, so all of you, what are you trying to do? Multiply, divide? Oh, my friends at home, what are you doing? I'm sure you can answer this question correctly.
This is a problem solving that related to our daily routine. Okay.
Yes.
So read the question, understand word by word, and then find the operation and finally come with your solution. Okay, calculate and give me the answer. We are waiting for the right answer.
Yeah, who is done?
Can I answer?
Go
Okay,
ahead, Desiga.
Desiga, your turn. Yeah.
3.425.
Okay, let us check that, Hanif. Okay, so what is the operation involving here, kids? The concept they give you 3.5 rounds, and then they give each rounds is 0.95 kilometers. So what's the concept here? They give you one and asking for many. Of course, multiplication. So what you do here, the question, the mathematics is 0.95 kilometer times by 3.5 rounds. Okay,
Yes.
this is the unit. Okay, so as usual, you stack down the numbers. Okay, you write down. Okay, you ignore the decimal point there. Okay, who can help me?
Yes,
Anif?
before,
Okay,
oops.
0 to safe side.
15, 5, 1, 9, 3, 27, 28.
Yes.
8, 2 up, so it brings down 2.
2. Okay.
So we have 5, 7 and 5 equals to 12. Bring up 1, 12, 13, 3 point and 3. Yes.
Okay. So this is 2 places. This is 1
One.
places, right? So altogether is 3. So 1, 2, 3.
3.
So the answer is
3.325.
kilometer. We have to
Kilometer.
put that kilometer. Okay.
Yes.
If without the unit, you won't get the marks. Okay, you won't able to get the marks. Marks
Yes.
won't be allocated for you if you didn't put the unit. Okay, Desiga, repeat your answer, dear.
3.45.
3.325 kilometer. So Anif, I
Well
leave it to you.
done, well
Okay, how many
done.
hearts you want to give
Oh,
Desiga?
because this question is quite hard, I think. So we give her 2 hearts. 2
It's up
hearts.
to you, yeah.
Okay.
Appreciation for Desiga today.
Great.
Okay.
And Teacher Kala, while I'm putting the hearts here, can you share with us a summary of what we have learned together today?
Okay, kids and the viewers out there. Okay, today we learn decimal numbers, whereby you multiply decimal number with a decimal number, okay, and also divide decimal number with decimal number. Okay, in multiplication process, okay, what you must do, you multiply the numbers given there as usual, as normal as what you do. You ignore the decimal point, you omit the decimal point, and then add the product. After you add that, answers 2 lines, okay, add the product, you determine where you have to put the decimal point. So for that, I teach you, you count the decimal places, okay, either 1 or 2, and then you take the total and then you move your decimal point at the product, okay. So if you move your right hand side, cha-cha. If you move to your left side, it is chi-chi. Okay, it's like that. Okay. So that is for multiplication. For division, kids, as what I said, you have to move the decimal point at the earlier before you perform the division. So where you should do that, okay, remember, divisor. You take the divisor. If the divisor is the whole number, you nothing to do that. Okay, if the divisor is decimal number, of course it is decimal number. For your level, you divide decimal numbers with decimal numbers. So you move the decimal point at the divisor, make it whole number. You should know what is whole number, okay? So move it 1 place, and also at the dividend, you have to move it 1 place. You follow the rhythm. If you move 2 places here, at the dividend also you move 2 places, and then you will get your answer.
Yes.
Okay, so again, for multiplication, you move the decimal point at the end of the process. For division, you move the decimal point at the earlier, and then you perform the division. So kids out there, and also the 4 students here, I hope you understand how to perform multiplication and division on decimal numbers.
Yes, I think that's a very, very comprehensive summary. And Teacher Kala, I think that's amazing. And of course, we just want to check with you, how do you think our 4 pupils performed today?
Oh, they great. They did a good job today. Okay. Hope they understand as well as, okay. And for more information, for more interactive activities, kids out there, you can log into Sumberku portal. Okay, there are plenty of exercise there you can do by yourself. Okay, for your self practice. Okay, back to you. What is the important?
Yes, and of course, as Teacher Kala mentioned, check out on Sumberku, which is the link on your screen right now. Go there and learn so much more. There's so much to learn, and I think you all will be amazing in mathematics. I'm sure Teacher Kala will agree with us on that.
Yes.
With that, we would like to thank Teacher Kala for such an amazing session today, with all of us learning about decimal numbers. Thank you so much, Teacher. Really appreciate your time. And of course, to our 4 pupils who have been very active joining us, been very busy calculating. Good job to all of you, and they are Jay, Tesiga, Kadim, and of course Sri. And definitely we have another teacher here, which is Teacher Fatih. Thank you so much, Teacher Fatih, for helping us out, giving sign language throughout our session. I hope you enjoyed our session today. My name is Hanif Sean, and before we go, I think Teacher Kala is going to play a little game
Yes.
with your pupils.
So this is a post test for them. Okay, before that I have to emphasize this. Okay, as we using nowadays the computer, the laptop, our smartphones, okay, right? All these gadgets are derived because of the decimal numbers we are learning today, okay? Modern applications, all these are from because we have the decimal system.
Okay, so let's start our game, Teacher Kalai.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much, everyone. Woo!